TGIF, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead. You may recognize the company Home Chef. They're all over advertisements here lately on TV and YouTube, and a lot of influencers on Instagram and all have been using them and sharing them. They are hiring a customer experience associate. It does say that this is remote. Now, they are hiring for a little bit different shift. We'll get into that. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links are in the YouTube description box below. But Home Chef is one of those home meal kit delivery services, and they are looking for a customer experience associate to work directly with their customers via different channels, including chat, phone, and email. This is a full-time 40-hour per week job, but they're looking for someone to work Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time schedule. So make sure that your hours, if you're not in that time zone, will work with that. And on top of the pay, which we'll get to in a minute, they do offer quarterly incentives and bonuses. But you'll basically just assist the customers with their Home Chef experience. You'll efficiently address and solve user issues primarily via live channels while maintaining and exceeding your KPIs aimed at customer satisfaction, productivity, and of course accuracy. You'll build connections and trust with the customers. You'll handle their concerns and quickly get them a resolution. So you'll be organized, accountable, and responsible, taking action for the situation. Now, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer somebody who has a minimum of 1 year of customer service experience, someone who has a great service skills, including empathy, kindness, and helpfulness. Someone who is tech savvy. If you're familiar with using Zendesk or different ticketing systems, that is a plus for you. You have to have great writing skills, great communication skills, and great interpersonal skills. Now, they pay anywhere from $32,058 a year all the way up to $41,721 a year. And of course, they offer a benefit package that includes standard health benefits, 401k, paid time off, and they also give you a discount if you want to use Home Chef yourself. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.